Here live in Amsterdam, there was like this massive bomb going off right as we were preaching the gospel at a bar. God just brought the fear of the Lord. Now there is this massive crowd. There are people everywhere. And my brother here from China is holding a sign right out here in the middle of it, folks. We are holding the sign that says fear God. Now let me tell you something, folks. If there is a bomb that goes off in Amsterdam, you better know a fear God sign is the perfect sign to have in this situation. There are cops everywhere. There is a massive crowd, and I'm just waiting on the Lord to see if He wants me to preach at a time like this. This is very, very scary. It was seriously like the loudest noise I have heard in a very long time. From what my brother says, I'm going to let him tell you. Tell me what you just told me about the mafia.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's just a kind of attack, a bomb. But
you said mafia just kills people around here, right?
Yeah, normally it happens. Just shoot people on the street with a pistol or gun.
Yes,
yeah.
And I'm telling you, this happened just like a few minutes after we began carrying the sign and preaching the gospel. We're in the red light district. Not quite sure what has happened, but I'm telling you, it was like the loudest noise. And we were just talking at the bar about why fear God. And then boom! This is like live, man. This is some serious action, people. Matter of fact, just a second ago, this bar over here was taking their photo with our gospel sign. So, man, we're just kind of waiting on the Holy Ghost to see what's going on around here. Whoa, live from Amsterdam.
Yeah.
What do you see while you carry it? What do you see on the people's faces?
Some people, I don't know, it's complicated. Some people are just smiling, some people are just staring at it and yeah, just trying to ignore it. But some people are kind of interested. Oh, they changed Dom Square to a park.
Yeah, it's cool. Look at all the action to date, folks.